Hey guys, MonkeyBoo and Pete, and we're coming at you from the MonkeyBoo space deck. And today we've got some Mars Planet Putty. We stopped off by Mars and picked some up, right, Boo?
Yeah, at the Mars gift shop.
These lids are kind of tricky. Let's get to the fun stuff. Can you get it out of there? Oh, I know. Oh, yeah, really? Booyah, Boo. Yay. Boo, while you're playing with the Mars Planet Putty, let's do something really cool. If you guys want to leave a comment and tell us some interesting facts about Mars, we'll pick out the best one or two, and we'll send you guys 2 MonkeyBoo bracelets, red and on Mars, 2 red ones. So we'll pick 2 or maybe even 3 people if you leave a really good comment and tell us like a short report about Mars, some interesting facts. Yeah, we'd love to learn about it. And I can actually read that, and I might learn something about Mars from you guys. It's like I need tools. You can play with it like that. I bet you'll break it into 2 pieces. Can you make 2 pieces? One for me and one for you? He's like turning away from me. He's being,
Are you being greedy with it? I'm not going to take it away.
you're giving me a piece, right? Please? Oh boy! Nice. Yeah, can I have one? Thank you. You get yours right here. You get that one. Like, you don't mind if I
Smack my hand with it. Smack my hand. Smack my hand. High five.
Boo's got the Mars Planet Putty. Boo says,
Who is your daddy?
Boo, you're so much fun to hang out with and play with. You're cool, Boo.
Yeah.
Is Mars your favorite planet putty so far? He's like, man, when you get on the space deck, it's a whole different story. Boo, have you been seriously waiting to play with this planet putty from Mars? Oh boy. Are you working, Boo? Oh, you want me back in there? In between? You making a hand sandwich? Boo. I know this is fun. Get it, Boo. Hey, man. We're not playing with the rocks on the table anymore. Because you like to bang them sometimes. I might bang my finger. So don't forget to leave a comment. Tell us some fun facts about Mars. Kind of like a little mini essay. And we'll pick out a couple winners, right, Boo? And Gage will send you a message and get a hold of you. And
Yeah. And we have some MonkeyBoo bracelets for being smart about Mars.
how long you gonna play for? Fling. Alright, Boo, now. Careful. Why are you breaking up into little pieces? He's like, this is what I'm a Capuchin monkey. That's what I do. We are the most destructive forces in nature, pound for pound.
Yes.
For real, like a Capuchin monkey, I don't know if there is a more destructive force that weighs 11 pounds than Boo does. Let's put it all back together so we can put it in here. Can you help me put it out? This is always not your favorite part of it. Here, let's put it in here.
Help me.
He's like, man, come on. Put it in there. Help me. Oh, he's mad. Is it okay, Boo? We're just putting it out.
We got so much stuff to play with.
Oh, Boo, you pooed it. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching MonkeyBoo and his assistant Pete from the MonkeyBoo space deck. playing with some Mars Planet Putty. This has been fun, right, Boo? Tell everybody, I said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you guys in the next video, right? You got a kiss for me? And tell everybody, say, don't forget to check out the other MonkeyBoo crew members of the MonkeyBoo Space Force, Monkey Happy, Boo's little brother, and our good friend Ollie, the squirrel monkey. Yeah, there's a link to their channels in the description. And Boo looked at me. I was about to call myself Captain Pete, and he looked at me like, yeah. All right, this is Captain Boo and Private Pete, I guess, checking out from the Space Force from MonkeyBoo Space Deck. We'll see you guys in the next video. Right, Boo?
Yeah.